Want to take screenshot of your CarPlay screen? Whether you are saving a cool interface or troubleshooting an issue, capturing a CarPlay screenshot is easier than you think. Before we begin, Apple doesn't currently allow you to take screenshot directly from your CarPlay screen using your car's infotainment system, but there's a smart workaround that works seamlessly. Here's what you need: an iPhone connected to CarPlay and your two fingers. The trick is to take a screenshot on your iPhone while CarPlay is active. Here's how you can do it. While the CarPlay interface is visible on your car screen, press the side button and volume up buttons on your Face ID enabled iPhone. Or if you have an older model with a home button, press the home button and the side button together. Your iPhone will capture a screenshot of both the iPhone screen and the CarPlay screen. Now open the Photos app on your iPhone, head to Recents or Screenshots and you will see the captured image there, which includes the CarPlay screenshot. And that's how easy it is to screenshot CarPlay using your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.